Hi, everyone. I'm Dawn Gage. I'm a fourth grade teacher at McClendon Elementary, and today I'm just going to take a few minutes to talk to you about using the program Wakelet with Canvas. So, Wakelet is a website, and it will allow you to curate a lot of different types of information into one place so that you could then share it with your students, and it's kind of a one stop shop if you want them to go out and do some research. So I'm going to take you to Wakelet on here. It's just wakelet.com. And when it pulls up, you'll see it looks a little bit like saving things on Pinterest. And it's very much like that, but in all honesty, I think it's way better. So um, whenever you make a collection, you can just go in and click create a new collection. It allows you to add a cover image, enter a title, a description, and then you just hit the plus sign to start adding whatever you would like. So I already have one started, so I'm going to show you this one that we're going to use for the Texas Revolution in my class. So I have a few things that are already here, and as I go through and I look at these, it's got some articles from the internet. It's got some YouTube videos in here that they can click on. And whenever you are ready to add things to this, you just click Edit Collection. And you will see here then that we get the little green plus sign. And when I click on the green plus sign, it gives me the option of pasting a URL that I may have gotten out from the internet, adding just text where I can go in and just type text in for them. I can search directly in YouTube, things like Texas Revolution. And then, of course, it will bring up some things that I can put here. So I can click this, or I can come a little bit farther down and I can look at some of the information that is down here until I find something that I like. I click add, and then it will go in and it will add the video for me. I can also go in and find information, images, tweets, bookmarks. I can upload a PDF. I can even pull a document from my Google Drive. Sign in with Google on here. And then documents that you have on here, you can do a search, or you can go in and look for um, a particular document. Select from, and I can select, and then it will give them access to that Google Doc. So whoever I share it with. Now, when I'm done with this, I can go in, I will click done. It saves my changes automatically. And then when I'm ready to share this and put it out there on my canvas, I'll click the share button, and it gives several different options on ways to share this. I can just copy the code, or as I want to do, I want to embed it in my canvas. There's several different options and layouts I can use. I can fix a border around it. And then come down, copy my embed code. And then when I go to my Canvas page, I already have an assignment here ready to go that I want to put it in with instructions for what they need to do with it. Put it in my HTML editor and then paste that in. And then once I've pasted it, you will see that Wakelet is here, ready to be used with the videos and everything. And my students can go in and look up information as part of their research that they're going to do for this assignment. Now, there are so many things that you could do with Wakelet. If you haven't tried it before, I encourage you to go out and look at it and play with it. There are so many things, there's so many people. You can go out and follow others. But there's so many things that you can do with it. My students have used this several times. It is very easy to do. Um, all they had to do was go in and click on what was there, and they could easily get into and watch or read on any of the websites that they needed to. Because once they click on it, it will take them out to that site, and then they're able to see the information that you want them to be able to get from, and they're not out there on the internet randomly searching all kinds of things. So I encourage you to give it a try. I hope that you like Wakelet. And to me, it just kind of make things a lot easier for me, for my students.